Exercise problem number 6. Let us understand the question here. An object at an angle such that the horizontal range is 4 times of the maximum height. What is the angle of projection of the object? An object is thrown at an angle. So it is making the horizontal angular projection such that the range in the x-axis is 4 times the maximum height along the y-axis. So you have to find what is the angle such that the object is thrown. So given this is for angular projection, right? So the range is, what is the thing they have given? Only the thing is range is 4 times the maximum height. So range r is 4 times 4 into maximum height h max. Maximum height h max. So only this thing is given. So we have to know we have to find the angle theta. So we know the formula for range and the height h max. So the formula that we are going to use here is the range formula, which is 2u square sin theta cos theta by g, and the height h max formula, which is u square sin square theta by 2g. So let us go into the solution now. So I'm having the two equations, that is range r equal to 2u square sin theta cos theta by g. Let me take this one, equation 1, and h max is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Let this be equation number 2. And first I am going to rearrange this equation number 2 as I am going to bring this 2 to the other side. It becomes 2h max is equal to remaining part u square sin square theta by g. Let me take this as equation number 3. Now we'll come into this equation of range. So in this range equation, see, I am replacing this equation. I am going to substitute this h max here. So in the numerator I need u square sin square theta, right, by g. I have one u square, 1 sin theta divided by g as such I have. But what I want is, I want sin square theta. Here I have only 1 sin theta. So I have to multiply this term by sin theta and divide by sin theta, so that this will not change. Okay, now I'm going to substitute this, so that only I'm multiplying this by sin theta and dividing by sin theta. So multiply this sin theta with this sin theta, so that it becomes r is equal to u square sin square theta by g into other terms separately, 2 cos theta by sin theta. Let this be equation number 4 now. Now you have got this term here, so that you can replace this as 2h max. So substitute the value of third equation in this fourth equation. So it becomes r is equal to, instead of this it is 2h max. Yes, u square sin square theta by g is your 2h max into this 2 cos theta by sin theta. So this 2 into 2 becomes 4h max into cos theta by sin theta is, it is cot theta. So I've got r is equal to 4h max into cot theta. So in the question itself they have given the range is 4 times of the h max. So they have given that r is equal to 4h max in the given. So instead of this 4h max, you can write it as simply r. So r is equal to r into cot theta. Bring this r to the other side, it becomes r by r equal to cot theta. When you cancel this r and r, it becomes 1. So 1 is equal to cot theta. I want to find the angle theta only. So theta is equal to, bring this cot to the other side, it becomes cot inverse of 1. So the angle is 45 degree. How it is it? See, you know that tan 45 is 1. So what is this cot theta? It is 1 by tan theta, right? So cot 45 is 1 by tan 45. And tan 45 value is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. So cot 45 value is also 1. Okay. When you have cot theta is equal to value, you want to find theta. Then the theta is equal to, bring this cot to the other side, it becomes cot inverse of 1. That is, cot inverse of 1 is my angle value, which is 45 degree. So cot inverse of 1 value, what it is? It is 45 degree. So the angle of projection is theta is equal to 45 degree.